what's going on, guys? It's Raj here, and this might be a surprise video for most of you, as you guys already kind of knew that I was not upgrading this year, but guess what? I decided to, and right here I have the 14 Pro 128 gigabytes in Space Black, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that there. And yep, it is a standard 14 Pro, and this is going to be my brand new phone for about 6 months. And in 6 months, you guys will be getting another surprise unboxing. But this is going to be the unboxing for today, so without further ado, let me go ahead and get these pull tabs off of here. It's pull tab number 1. And then we're going to get the second pull tab off of here. Try to cover up all the sensitive information while I'm doing that. Alright, both pull tabs are off, and the reveal. Wow, look at that beauty. Space Black. Look at that. That is absolutely breathtakingly gorgeous. And of course we get the standard documentation here, and it's eSIM powered now, so we're going to be using that. And we got the instructions as well as the Apple sticker and then the included USB-C to Lightning cable. Sorry guys, you guys are not going to get used. So I'm going to put these nicely back in the box and seal it back up. But first, before we do that, has that new iPhone smell, that new signature smell. Had to test the smell there. Alright, and actually, you know what? Before we do put it all back in the box, I'm going to go ahead and peel up the sticker here. Now we're going to reassemble the box. Alright, and then I am going to cut to us booting up the device and setting it up side by side. Alright, and then we are going to go ahead and set up this beauty. Let's go ahead and power it on. There is our Apple logo. Yep, just for reference, this is my 12 Pro right here on to the right, and then to the left is my new 14 Pro. So I am very, very excited for this. Wow, look at that buttery smooth 120 frames a second. That is crazy. That is Alright, we're going to go ahead and continue here with this nice and simple setup. And look at how bright that screen is. Jeez, that is crazy. Alright, everything is setting up. Wow, look at that dynamic island as well. That is so much nicer. Alright, we are waiting for it to activate. Should take just a moment for that to do so. Perfect, then we are going to transfer the phone number here. And just for reference, when you guys are watching this video, I am going to be blurring out my phone number, so yeah, sorry guys, but you know, I don't want you guys having my phone number unless I explicitly give it to you. So that part will be blurred, unfortunately. But it looks like we are just waiting for it to activate. Waiting for that eSIM transfer. Perfect, we have an SOS on my 12 Pro there. Waiting for that to jump ship to the 14 Pro. Any second now. Perfect. It's now active. And we're going to go ahead and set up Face ID. Have a nice little window here for it. My hair is crazy. Don't mind my hair. And we're going to click Don't Use Without a Mask. Face ID is now all set up. Ooh, wow. It'll take about 3 hours to transfer directly from the phone. Let's do iCloud. Just to make things move along a little bit quicker. Alright, we are setting up the Apple ID. Looks like we are almost there. But I am super excited, you guys. You guys have no idea how excited I am about this. Yep, looks like we got the alert there on my 12 Pro that my Apple ID is being used on this new 14 Pro, which is exactly what I wanted it to do there. Perfect. And then looks like it's updating my backup there, which is perfect. And that's just reminding me that that got added to my account. And I'm going to have you guys look away for this part. I'm going to have to get out my card here to see what my security code is. Alright, and as soon as that is added, I will let you guys take a look at once again. But yeah, that is sensitive information, so I'm going to have you guys look away, because I don't want to keep unblurring things out. Perfect, the card got added there. Alright, and that's just telling us about emergency SOS. Looks like we have 1 minute there for that backup. In the meantime, we will download the software update that it wants. And as soon as this is all done, I will be right back. Alright, as you guys can see, the device is all set up now and is all ready to go. And this is a quick demo of the always on display. As you can see there, looks very, very nice. And then here is the dynamic island, has there up at the top. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick demo for you guys. I'm going to play a song, but not have volume on it. And as you guys can see there, there is the nice little animation. There's a little media player. You can play pause. Then if we have a timer in the background, you can also set a timer as well. And as you can see there, it populates like so. So I can go ahead and go back and forth there and also press and hold there. But yeah, that is kind of a quick little demo of the dynamic island, and I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like when it's charging as well. So that is a little animation you get there. And as far as that goes, that is going to conclude this video. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, everyone.